Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Compute class, your decision for learning computer skills step by step. In today's video, we will master the Excel main function and discover how to find the smallest value in just a few seconds. Let's begin. The main function returns the smallest minimum value from a range of cells from multiply numbers. The main function is commonly used to find the lowest student mark, find the lowest sales value, find the lowest product price, find the minimum temperature, find the minimum cost or expense. First, let's find the lower marks in each subject. Type is equal to min, first bracket, select the marks range, close the bracket and press enter. Excel immediately returns lowest mark. Now drag the file handle to apply the formula to the remaining subject. That's it. Excel automatically finds the minimum value for each subject. Next, let's find the lowest salary. I have created a separate table with employee names and salary details. Click on the result cell. Type is equal to min, first bracket, select all the salary values, close the bracket and press enter. Look, the lowest salary has appeared instantly. Now we can easily see who receives the lowest salary in this table. Next, we will find the lowest product price. For this example, I have created another table counting product names and their price. So let's get started. First, click on the result cell and type is equal to min bracket. Select all the cells in the price column. Close the bracket and press enter. As you can see, Excel has instantly returned the lowest product price from the table. Now we can easily identify which product has the lowest price.